Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna start off by showing y'all what I got. We got a few boxes that came in, and it's gonna be for the Ram. But the first one we're gonna open up and start working on today. It's gonna be this one right here. So this is the box, and I'll be able to tell a set of headlights. So one of the headlights that was on the truck didn't look all that good, but it was still all right. But I like this style better, so went ahead and picked one of these up. Got the two TRL strips, top bottom, black housing, clear lens, a little orange reflector. But yeah, so today we're gonna work on putting this one on. We got a couple more boxes too, but if we get to them today, we'll do that. If not, that's it. So I got both headlights out. The only thing, the new ones, they do not come with the low beam bulb in it. So I got two LED ones that just got here from Amazon. So I'm gonna throw these in there and then I'm gonna put the lights on. Okay, so that one's good to go. I already threw the high beam one in there, so that one's there. That's the low beam. It came with the turn signal and obviously that one. So just gotta do the other one and take them to the backyard and then put them on. I got the lights on. Before I fully secure everything down, I'll make sure everything works. And then we'll peel the cover stuff off. Let's crank this thing up. Let's see. Looks like everything is on. Besides that low beam light right there. So you gotta see what's going on with that one. Once we get that one going, then we go. So light is installed and it is working. Everything on it works fine. You wanna know why the grill's not on? It is because you got rid of the old grill, which means we got a new one to install. But this is as far as I got with all this today, so stay tuned for some more stuff on the next one. Peace.